With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So the question is, chromosomes are fully condensed and the meiotic spindle is assembled to prepare the homologous chromosomes for separation during which phase? Now we do have four phases: dikinesis, diplotin, packeting, or zygoting. So as we know that this meiosis 1, particularly of prophase, has 5 phases. The first phase is leptotin. The second phase is zygotin. The third phase is packeting. The fourth phase is diplotin. And the fifth phase is dikinesis. And what happen in all these phases are their remarkable features. For example, in leptotin, the crossing over take place. Then the second stage of zygotin, the paired chromosomes appear, like a pairing take place between homologous chromosomes. The third stage, that is packeting, has short and thickened pair chromosome. In the fourth stage, that is diplotin, the pair chromosome begin to separate into chromatids. And what given in the question is our fifth step, that is dikinesis. That means in this stage, the chromosomes are fully condensed. That is, condensation take place between these chromosomes. The meiotic spindle is assembled to prepare the homologous chromosome for separation. And because of the meiotic spindle, the chromosomes begin to separate. So our answer of this question is the stage 1, that is dikinesis. That means in the question it is given as a stage 1, but in short its stage is stage 5, that is dikinesis. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.